After significant debate and deliberation, the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 was passed by both houses of Parliament and it became law on April 5, 2025, after President Murmu gave her assent. However, the opposition framed the reform as an attack on Muslim rights, alleging it targeted religious endowments and would strip minority control. The issue soon became a national political flashpoint. Legal challenges followed swiftly, and the matter has been under Supreme Court scrutiny since the day the act was passed. On May 22, 2025, after hearing arguments from both sides, a two-judge bench comprising Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice Augustine George Massey reserved its verdict on multiple petitions that challenged the constitutional validity of the act. Petitions led by Kapil Sibal argued that several clauses violate fundamental rights and undermine the religious autonomy of the Muslim community. Key issues raised: abolition of Waqf by user, which earlier allowed long-standing community religious use to qualify for Waqf status. Section 3D and 3E, allowing the government to de-recognize Waqf properties on mere suspicion without due process or judicial review, and bars scheduled tribe members from creating Waqfs, the clause requiring that only a practicing Muslim for 5 years can create a Waqf, deemed arbitrary and discriminatory. In defense, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta stated that the act aims to bring greater accountability and oversight for over 6 lakh Waqf properties, and that it does not interfere with religious freedoms but focuses solely on administrative efficiency. What to expect from the Supreme Court? The administrative framework, registration, audit, digitization may be upheld, but clauses enabling unchecked derecognition could be read down or struck off. The court may avoid declaring Waqf as an essential religious practice and instead uphold protections under Articles 14 and 25. Section 3 may be struck down for violating natural justice principles. The court could reinstate or reform the Waqf by user concept or suggest a tribunal-based process. Also, expect detailed judicial guidelines for Waqf boards, investigation, and appellate systems. The final decision is expected before July 2025. Friends, what's your take on the Waqf Amendment Act? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to KanoonPlus for more legal updates.
आपके लगातार समर्थन के लिए धन्यवाद दोस्तों। इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने विचार जरूर शेयर करें और कानून प्लस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।